Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics.
हेल्थ टेस्ट की बात आती है तो मैं भरोसा करता हूँ इंडिया's largest diagnostics company, Agilus Diagnostics. खुद को टेस्ट करते रहो.
Did you know that you can actually lose weight by eating seeds? It may sound surprising, but seeds can be a secret weapon in helping you shed pounds in a healthy and natural way. They are packed with a range of essential nutrients like fiber, healthy fats, and protein, key ingredients that can help you feel fuller for longer, curb cravings, and support your body's fat burning process. These tiny nutritional powerhouses are not just good for your belly fat, but also for your overall health. Plus, seeds are incredibly easy to add into your daily routine without feeling like you have to make huge changes. You can throw them into a smoothie, sprinkle them on the top of your salad, or mix them into your morning oatmeal. It's that simple. In today's episode of Eat Right, I am going to share with you 9 of the best seeds you can eat to help with weight loss, all while boosting your energy, supporting digestion, and providing you with healthy fats. Whether you are looking for a crunchy snack or a way to supercharge your meals, these seeds can make a huge difference. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a fan favorite when it comes to weight loss, and it's easy to see why. These tiny seeds absorb a lot of water, so they expand in your stomach, helping you feel fuller. Chia seeds are also packed with fiber, which helps keep your digestive system moving smoothly and keeps you satisfied. Plus, they're full of healthy omega-3 fats, which are great for your heart. You can add chia seeds to smoothies, yogurt, or make chia pudding for a healthy snack. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are another seed that can help you with weight loss because they are high in fiber. They're also a good source of antioxidants called lignans, which help balance your metabolism and hormones. Eating ground flax seeds, it's best because they are easier for your body to digest. You can add them to smoothies, sprinkle them over oatmeal, or mix them into your baked goods. Pumpkin seeds. Even though pumpkin seeds are small, they are packed with protein and healthy fats that help build muscles and burn fat. They also contain magnesium, which helps stabilize your blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. Pumpkin seeds are perfect as a snack, or you can toss them on the top of your salad, soups, or granola for extra crunch and nutrients. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are a great source of protein, and they contain all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs to stay healthy. Protein helps you feel fuller, making it easier to avoid overeating. These seeds also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for reducing inflammation in the body. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are a nutritional powerhouse rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, as well as healthy fats, B vitamins, copper, and a variety of other important minerals. These seeds offer a wide range of health benefits as well, including their ability to fight cancer and reduce the risk of heart disease. The antioxidants and healthy fats in sunflower seeds also help lower inflammation in the body, which can contribute to improved overall health. By adding sunflower seeds into your diet, you are giving your body a natural boost to help protect against chronic diseases and maintain optimal health. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are small but mighty when it comes to weight loss. They are high in fiber and healthy fats. They also contain a special compound called sesame, which helps boost fat burning and improve metabolism. You can sprinkle sesame seeds over stir fries, salads, or even add them to baked goods to add a crunchy texture and nutrition. Poppy seeds. Poppy seeds are often overlooked, but they can be a helpful addition to your weight loss plan. They are packed with fiber and healthy fats, both of which help keep hunger at bay. Poppy seeds also contain calcium, iron, and zinc, which are important for energy and overall health. Cucumber seeds. Cucumber seeds are great for weight loss. They are full of fiber, which helps with digestion, plus they are low in calorie, making them a great choice if you are trying to lose weight. Add cucumber seeds to salads or smoothies for a refreshing crunch and a little extra fiber. Watermelon seeds. Watermelon seeds are often discarded, but they are packed with protein and healthy fats that help control your hunger and are great for weight management. These seeds are also rich in magnesium, which helps balance blood sugar and reduce cravings. Adding these seeds to your diet is an easy and fast way to support your weight loss goals. Whether you prefer chia, flax, pumpkin, or any other seeds on this list, they each bring something special to the table. Whether it's fiber, protein, healthy fats, or antioxidants, they help you stay full, curb cravings, and improve your metabolism, all while providing essential nutrients to your body. So next time you are looking for a healthy snack or a way to add extra nutrition to your meal, reach out for some seed. I hope you liked today's video. Keep watching Fit That.